Welcome, CNG 124, to our last couple days. Within this last couple days, make sure you wind up the course. Look at all your discussions. Make sure all your discussions are done and in. Once again, they're just reflective discussions. So having those in is important to your grade. They're, I think, 5%. No reason not to do this discussion. Um, I think this is one of the only courses that we didn't do extra credit in this semester. Um, for to wind up week 15, if you haven't, make sure to get that final examination in. Remember, you only have an hour to work parts A and B, so to make sure to check those out on time. The final exam, once again, multiple choice question. Simply click it and take it. Make sure that, let's see if I can do this right, you do have the Cisco Netacad any quiz and exam 9 taken. If you don't have those done, you do not get credit for your exams. That's one part that has to be done. We have to do their stuff in order to stay at Cisco Academy, as we use part of their product. So make sure you hop in there and take that. If I go in there, I'm going to see everyone's grades if I click around. But make sure you do that. That is also listed in the syllabus as to getting done. Let's see in our weekly schedule, which is down here. CNAP, yep. So we were supposed to do quiz 3 a long time ago, but like I said, any quiz really works. And then Netacad Chapter 9 I opened up around week 11. So it gave you quite a long time to do. If your test grades need to be boosted, make sure to get that Kaplan submission in. Once again, Kaplan can be a screenshot, a snip, a selfie. I don't think I have a Dropbox for it. Oh, no, there it is. These are basically you pay the $54 at the Larimer campus and you get that Kaplan code. You start rehearsing for the Net Plus certification from CompTIA, well on your way to being certified in a network entry level position, mid level position. Easy to do, and really, if you think about it, probably entry level is going to be about 15 to 18. Your next level, 22, 26. Your next level, probably 30, 34, and so on as you go up. So make sure to get those in. The more certifications you have, the better off you are. And I think that wraps up our assignment. Make sure to get everything in. The labs definitely are worth a lot more than the CNAP activities. The discussions are worth probably, I think, the same as the CNAP activities. We can go back and check that out. But make sure this is the time, this is that extra couple days to where you can really start to get assignments in. And here you go to your activities rubric, and you can see how the grades are labeled out. If you do forget to do the Netacad quiz and exam, you're going to miss out on 30% of your grade. That means everything else you have to have a perfect score just to get a 70, and that's the lowest you can do. So make sure you hop in Netacad and do those, because I will go back and start to check those tomorrow night. And I think that's it. No other stuff due. Hopefully you prepared yourself last week and Thanksgiving week for that final there. I will finish up grading later on today. I do have a couple errands I need to run this morning, but I will start grading, entering zeros for stuff not turned in. But remember, you have today and tomorrow to get those assignments in to change your grade score. And that's it for this Monday. It's been a pleasure having you guys in class. Networking is probably one of my favorite classes to do because you can see the comprehension of learning new ways of thinking just deployed. I might have some of you next semester in CNG 125. I think I have 125, 124, and 132. So if I do see you, definitely be leaders in my online classes. They're all the same. I shouldn't say they're all the same. They're all kind of ran the same kind of format. And that should wind up our semester. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to get to get in contact with me immediately. Um, go to the Hangouts. Where's that? Down here. Go to the Google Hangout. Where's it at? Right here. So it's August 30th. Go to that Google Hangout, and I got there by clicking Show All News. If you post something at Google Hangout, chances are I'm more likely to see it instantly and reply back to it, just because it's on my phone. And that's probably the best way to say, hey, look, I'm missing this score right here, or you marked me as 0 right here. Or you're going to say, hey, can you check my grade? That is a good way for me to instantly bring notice into it without having to log into any sort of platform like D2L or going to the FRCC site and logging into the email. But I think that's it. You guys have an excellent end of the semester. Congratulations. And I will see you next semester.